Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'll be removing these side mirrors and I'll be changing them with bar and mirrors.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
So the bar and mirrors that I bought is from China. So this is the bar and mirrors that I bought from China. They are about 30 ringgit, so it's quite cheap. So my plan is to mount them like this. So let's go ahead and take the existing balancer and screw it on, because the adapter that came with it doesn't fit. So the adapter, this type, doesn't fit my bar end because it's too shallow, doesn't go deep enough. So I'm going to use my way and modify. This is the original screw, which is 5 cm long, but I'll be shortening it to an Allen bolt or another or this kind of bolt. So found them in my house. If you don't have them, you can go and buy it on the motorbike shop or whatever, or Mr. DIY or hardware stores. So let's go ahead and assemble it. So as you can see that this is the black screw, and it protrudes a bit, slightly only. Hold on. So it protrudes slightly out, and let's go and check out the other one. So this is the other one, using the Allen screw. So this one is slightly flushed as compared to the other one, but both are solid, doesn't move around. Same goes to this one after it has been tightened down. Same goes to this when it's tightened down. But let's see how it goes. So I can assemble this screw into the handlebars because it has threads that I can pre-use to screw it down. So let's go ahead and install them both with the Allen. So it looks like I'm having some issues with this Allen key. It is too short, so I have to use back the black one. Okay, so we've fixed the issue with changing the screw. So next we'll be assembling the side mirrors. So as you can see that this is actually quite easy to install. Just install the bracket part and clamp them down, then screw it on. It's as simple as that. So the bar and mirrors are installed, and let's say bye bye to this side mirror. So now you can see that the front is cleaned up a lot, and let's check it out without the side mirror and only the bar and mirrors. Damn, isn't it sexy? Okay, so that's it for today. This is how to install bar and mirrors if you have the same case as mine. See ya, bye. So peace out, guys. See you next time.